can bring a claim against VW if you have an affected vehicle. The vehicles that are included are VW vehicles, Audi, Seat and Skoda. If you're in any doubt as to whether your vehicle is one of the ones that have a defeat device fitted within it, you should go to your manufacturer's website and you can check which models are involved. All you need is your VIN number, which is a unique number to your car. It doesn't matter if you've sold your car or whether you bought it second hand or whether you bought it outright or on finance. As long as you have been an owner of an affected vehicle, you can bring a claim. To make a claim against the VW Group will cost you nothing to join or participate. We've secured third-party funding, which means essentially investors invest in the litigation in the hope of it being successful. We've had to seek funding because it's extremely complicated and expensive to launch an action of this size. If we lose the case, the funders walk away with no return on their investment. But similarly, if we are successful, the funders will take a fee from any damages you recover. We anticipate that you will still retain approximately 70% of any damages. And if the case is lost, you obviously don't pay lawyers' fees. The chief risk in bringing a claim against VW is being exposed to an award for costs against VW in the event that we lose. In this country, we have a general rule that the loser pays. In order to address this, we have sought an indemnity from the third-party funders whereby they will meet any VW costs or will insure the same. So in the event that we are unsuccessful, you should be protected from a claim for VW's costs. It's incumbent upon us to ensure that the insurance is in place, that the insurers are kept up to date on all case developments, and that there is enough cover to meet the claim. Whether you should take your car to a VW dealership to have the fix carried out is a matter for you. There's no legal obligation to do so. The car is roadworthy in its current state and it won't fail its MOT. At the moment, we are unable to say with any degree of certainty what comprises the fix. However, if you do have the fix applied, it doesn't preclude you from joining the action. If you notice that having had the fix applied, that your car performs less well in terms of fuel economy, emissions or simple performance, obviously this is something that could comprise part of any claim you bring against the VW Group. In order to join the group, you should visit the website vwemissionsaction.com. This website contains a vast amount of information about the litigation proposed and has a simple registration page which allows you to enter information to become a client of the group. The second stage process requires you to put in some information pertinent to your car, and that in turn will allow you to be part of the legal claim that is brought. Once you've done this, it's highly unlikely that you'll be required to attend court to give evidence. Usually in sizable group actions, the case is decided on the basis of a selected test cases. And given the vast number of people that are already registered, the odds are unlikely to be you. I hope you do visit the website and join the action because VW should be held to account for their deceit.